you like to play a game?
Come on. Yay. Yay. No. This level's gonna piss me off. I know it. Fuck. You know what? Fuck the band-aid. I don't need it. I have another idea. Why did I jump? Okay. What the? Ah! Ah! Because this isn't frustrating at all. Oh, fuck! I know what to do. Just doing it. It's freaking impossible. That's what happens when you potentially overjump everything. No, my goodness. Oh, thank God. Watch me die here. Go! Whew. Watch me die here. Oh, shit. Yes. 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 Oh. Oh. Boss unlocked. Oh, cool. These boss battles. Ooh. Little slugger. Look at him. Walking like a pimp. He pissed off. Hell yeah. He stopped me. Go. Damn. What the fuck is that thing? Okay. Oh, that's the look from the trailer. What's he doing? What's it, Meat Boy? What is it? Oh God. Oh shit! No! That's a fucking chainsaw! What the fuck? Oh crap. No! No! How the hell in the brown am I meant to beat that thing? No! Really? Why did I just jump in place? That made no sense. Oh shit. Problem? Oh my God, what am I supposed to do? Can I even, like, walk past this thing? No, I cannot. Shit. Can I jump over it? Oh my God. So you gotta just sprint, so... Oh my god! I don't even know what I'm doing. Wait, what? Why? Come on. Come on. Fuck balls! Oh my god. Am I just supposed to, like, get on top of him somehow? That's really confusing. Oh shit, that was close. Oh my god. This is gonna piss me off, I know it is. I think I'm doing something wrong. I really do feel like I'm doing something wrong. Fuck. Oh my god. Can I jump all three of these? No, just two. This is getting annoying.